RBM of Atlanta and Sandy Springs, your Mercedes-Benz connection since 1964.
This is the 2012 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. All four sedans in the E-Class put forward bold styling and pioneering technology. The E350 sedan is both efficient and exhilarating. A dual overhead cam V6 with continuously variable timing ensures immediate response with every throttle input. The E550 sedan rides on Airmatic adaptive air suspension. You don't have to worry about power under the hood. You'll have your choice of a 50-state BlueTech clean diesel plus gasoline V6 and V8 models that are also available with 4MATIC all-wheel drive. All this advanced technology doesn't mean you have to sacrifice old-world craftsmanship. The spacious E-Class sedan cabin has polished wood and chrome trim, which complements the precisely double-stitched upholstery. A multifunction steering wheel and central controller of the command system puts the most commonly used functions right at your fingertips. Hourglass sunroof, hands-free Bluetooth interface, these are all standard equipment. The 2012 E-Class sedan. This is Mercedes.
At RBM of Atlanta and Sandy Springs, we have a great selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from and the exceptional customer service to make your buying experience easy and enjoyable. We have a state-of-the-art service center and parts department that's committed to providing the level of service that you expect as a Mercedes-Benz owner. Call or visit today. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Sandy Springs, Georgia.